Think about it. That volcano, for all its destruction, created new land. It fertilized the soil for miles around, paving the way for new life, new growth, and new beginnings. That's what Brick Dollar Torm is doing! It's clearing out the old and making way for a new era of wealth and community in the meme coin space. It's a creative force disguised as chaos. I learned a hard lesson that day. The sky went dark. Hesitation can be the biggest risk of all. When an opportunity of this magnitude presents itself, you have to act.